So now that we got the transmission off, now you can see a rare sight. The original factory clutch at 180,000 miles. I have personally never seen a clutch last this long, but it happened. So now we're gonna do the...
Hey, it's 187.
So we're gonna remove this. There are 9 12 mils with a washer. Do not lose the washer. Holy moly. So this is 187,000 miles. Typically, if you were clutch kicking or drifting or doing a lot of jolting, the lining or the like string things will be coming out. That's usually a sign of like drifting and clutch kicking a lot. Obviously, if this clutch was completely destroyed, it'd be down to the rivets and you'd see hot spots, which it really isn't that bad.